姐介紹自己啊。
秋山先生太太，我想介紹自己，我叫 Nova Diantika，我今年21歲，我係人哋Lampung嚟，我未結婚，我個chung 2 年喺Jakarta，rumah lokit 喺香港，
係我覺得做嘢你煮過乜嘢啊？
Ciku Pipi，
Pipi 幾多歲啊？
ngam chút say，
係香港咧煮過乜嘢啊？
Ciku siêu bằng nhiều，
小朋友幾多歲啊？小朋友
5 歲，
喺香港嚟幾耐啊？
lớp khởi業，
點解6個月嘅？
dần quay, cùng chú un ốc hay Trung Quốc，
你喺香港有冇吹餸啊？
有啊，
吹咩餸啊？
mình xéo khai, khá lạch khai, chim bạ chăm khai, phân khai chồng đó，
你識唔識煮肉㗎姐姐？
唔識，
唔識煮肉。你要吹煮肉啊？
係啊，
你驚唔驚夠啊？
OK，
你識廣東話同埋講乜嘢啊？
con英文，
你識講英文
識
？Can you introduce?
Yes, I can.
Please introduce.
Hello, my name is Nova Diantika. I am 22 years old. I'm still single. I have experience 2 years in Jakarta and 6 months in Hong Kong.
What is your job in Hong Kong?
Take care of children.
How long you in Hong Kong?
6 months.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, I can.
Are you married?
No, not yet.
You're married. You can cook Chinese food?
Yes,
What do you cook? You can cook.
I can cook steamed fish, steamed egg, chicken soup, and then anything I can cook.
Okay. You can take elderly.
Yes,
You can take children.
yes,
Are you eat pork?
no,
Can you handle and cooking?
yes,
Are you afraid of dog?
no.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.